Audio Jungle.
Hey, what's up? My name is Jason, owner of Candy Shop Vapor in Wausau, Wisconsin. I just wanted to go over a few new awesome RDAs that are pretty revolutionary. So, I'm going to take a look at the Tobacco Turbo, but we're not. We're actually going to be taking a look at a new RDA by iCloud, which is the 571. You know, we got the Turbo, which was a really cool RDA, and it cools the vapor very well, and it sounds like a kazoo, so it's sort of fun, you know. And it works very well. But we're going to take a look at the new 571 RDA by iCloud. This is what, oh, that one's going to run away from me. This is what it looks like. It looks just like a sub-ohm tank, but we're going to take a closer look at it. This is what it looks like when it's built. You can see the fan down at the bottom, and you can see the crazy new drip tip that they put on so that you do not get any e-liquid in your mouth. It's a nice wide bore, and I think those slants are actually to get the vapor, you know, swirling a little bit more, and the turbo is really nice. So we're going to take a quick vape, and then we're going to unbox it for you. Wow, that's a lot of vapor. So I'm going to take a closer look at unboxing it. This is the way it comes. It's got a little submarine on it. It is a very clean box. And then what you have inside is your 571. It comes with a glass middle part, and it comes with your whole atomizer. Got your mouthpiece. You got both of your centerpieces, and then you got this really nice Kennedy style deck with the T-post in the Kennedy style deck, unlike the Kennedy. Kennedy has a single post in the middle. And then you got your fan. It looks more like a turbine to me than a fan, so we're going to call it a turbine. It's got 3 slots for a lot of airflow, and then it's got your shroud for around the fan or turbine, and then you got your turbine. And then you can see the airflow that comes from underneath the coils. So it's really easy to clean because you can actually take it apart. And that's your 571 RDA. It has a really cool sound. Mine made a little bit of noise because I over drifted a little bit, but this is what it sounds like when there's no e-liquid in the bottom. So it sounds really cool, and it's actually a functional thing. It actually helps the vapor production. So we're going to take one more quick vape off this, and then we're going to show you one more new RDA from iCloud. Right now I'm running a Clapton build. It's coming out to be a 0.24 ohm, and I'm running it at 82 watts. And because of the fan actually, or the turbine actually doing something, it helps force the air up, and it really eats up the juice very quickly. The next one we're going to look at is the Fishbone. The Fishbone is a 100% glass top. Even the chuff tip is glass. We're going to take a closer look at that. And that's what it looks like when it's all built. It's all nice and pretty. And you can see your fish on there. We're going to take a quick vape off that, and then we're going to unbox it. You get a ton of vapor and a ton of flavor, and I think that glass actually helps keep some of the flavor in. So this is what the box looks like. It's just a simple box, and you can, well, you can get it in glass. So this one is really cool because you actually get a second glass piece, and then you get your Kennedy style deck. Pretty much the same as the Kennedy, and all glass you want to just twirl off because you don't want to force that down. It's got a copper center post, copper 510, and it says iCloud SIG on the bottom. See, you got your bottom airflow that comes up and hits the coils, and it works very nicely, and it looks super awesome. I don't know if you can see that glass very well, but it is a full glass atomizer. I mean, that one's pretty simple compared to the 571. Alright, well, you can get these all at Candy Shop Vapor or iCloud. And one more thing about Candy Shop Vapor, we are going to be dropping an e-liquid line here very soon. We're going to have tons of different flavors, pretty much something for everybody. So, I'm going to take one more vape off this, and I will catch you next time I do a review. Have a good day.